Okay, next one. Here. No, this is already. Okay, that's dirty. That's okay. I have so many things in here. Let me get another piece of paper. Okay. At a book fair, Joe bought 24 books at 3 for $5 and had $2 left. How much money did he have at first? Read what they are telling you. He went to the fair and he bought 24 books at 3 for $5. So that doesn't mean he bought 24 books and each one was $5, right? So it's not gonna be 24 times 5. That is not what they're not what I tell you. That's not what they're telling you. This is similar to the one with the mangoes. What is this? Is this dirt? Gross. I don't know what this is in my pen. It was in my backpack, so gross. He bought 24, but the bundle at the book fair, they were selling 3, like packets of 3 books, right? And each 3 books were $5. Okay, so let's start there. Oh, how much money did he have at first? So, I don't know. That's what I'm finding out, right? He had, I'm almost running out of this. Do not do this, okay? I will do it. But you work with pencil. He had this much money at first. My sharpener is downstairs and I'm not going downstairs. All right. So, okay. 24 books at 3 for $5. So, these are my 24 books, right? What do I need to do with these 24 and these 3? Do I go like my lawnmower? Oh, by the way, I need to I need to do my lawn because it's big. It has grown a lot. Like, do you go like and then just go 24 times 3? No. Why would you do that? If you do 24 times 3, that's gonna give you 75 minus 3, 72. You don't have 72 books originally. That doesn't even make sense. So you have to split those 24 into packets of 3, right? So how many can you do? If this is 3, and then 3, and then 3, like how many you end up having? So it's gonna be 24 divided by 3, right? And this is easy. 24 divided by 3 is 8. That means that he had, so this is what he bought. He bought 8 packets. Does that make sense? Because he bought the 24 books in bundles of 3 books each. So he bought 8 bundles. Each bundle was $5, right? So how, and you see this is kind of like ugly, right? Like this is not very, well, it's not ugly. This is my thought process, right? You can do this. This is a bar model. Like this is just me. Like if I were to see this, I'm like, oh, I know what she's doing, or I know what he's doing. Okay, so now one bundle is $5. How many bundles did he have? He had 8. So if one bundle is $5, right? You can do this. Actually, there's not so many that you can, like, if you like drawing your little things, then go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, how much is this? 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Right? So he spent $40 on the bundles, on all his 24 books, in his 8 bundles. And he had $2 left. Okay, if he spent 40 and he had $2 left, how much more? Like, that's simple, right? How much money did he have at first? Well, 40 plus the $2 that he has on his pocket. He had, what's his name? Joe. Did we just do Joe? Oh no, there was Joe. There was a John already. Okay, Joe had $42 at first. Yay! This was pretty simple. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, let's do Harry. Let's just do one more over here. It's 5 minutes. Like the other day was. No, the other video was 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to do it quickly. Let's see. Okay, so we have that Harry, or Harry, whatever, I don't know. He he bought 155 oranges for $35. Okay, good. He found that 15 of them were rotten. And then he sold all the remaining oranges at 7 for $2. This is similar to the one with the bundles. How much money did he make? Okay. Made this many dollars. Okay. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Okay. Okay, look at what the problem is telling you. So he bought 155 and he paid 35 for the oranges, right? However, he didn't sell them all because look, he found that 15 of them were rotten. You cannot sell rotten oranges, right? If you want your business to go well. So what that means is that even though he bought 155, he had to get rid of 15, right? So what is that? Is that addition? Is that subtraction? What is that? That's just a subtraction, right? So out of the 155, he got rid of 15. So how many do we end up with? 140, right? Now listen to this. All of the remaining oranges, which is 140, not 155, like those are the ones that he bought. But again, the problem is telling you that 15 of them were rotten. Okay, out of the 140 remaining ones, he sold them at 7 for $2. So 7 oranges for $2. So again, you have 140 now, 140 oranges, and you want to pack them in packets of 7 oranges each. What do you have to do here? Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. If you do 140 times 7, you're gonna end up with like more than 700 oranges. Like why? Like you don't even have 700 oranges, right? Like that doesn't make sense. That's an answer that would not make sense. You have to divide. You have to get 1 orange, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put them in a bag. Those are gonna be $2. And then another 7. And then another 7. So 140 divided by 7. Okay? We're gonna learn this the next week. How to do 7 times 2 and then you add the 0, right? Because it's a division. So 20. What does that mean? That means that he actually made 20 bags of oranges and each bag cost $2. That's cool. Okay. So 20, that's what he ended up having, right? 20 times 2. Why? Because each baggie costs $2, right? And he sold 20. So if one baggie, right? One baggie is $2. Then how many would it be for 20 bags? Well, that's 20 times 2, right? 20 times 2 is 40. $40. Is that how much he made? No. This is the same with my what I had explained to you. Like this is not, it's the profit, right? Okay, so yes, he made $40 when he sold them in the market or wherever he sold them. But he actually paid $35 for those oranges. So in reality, he made $5. That's his profit, right? So he made $5. The end.